So today I'm testing out the Phomemo PM64D thermal printer, and I'm gonna walk you through everything: unboxing, setup, printing different labels, and how you can actually use it for your bakery products. If you're looking for a thermal printer that's compact, easy to use, and can handle all your labeling needs, stay with me because I'm gonna show you exactly what this thermal printer by Phomemo can do. Let's get into it. All right, so starting with what comes in the box. So we've got the printer itself, and the first thing that I notice is how compact this is. It's about 20% smaller than traditional thermal printers, which is perfect if you're working in small spaces or your kitchen counter is already packed. You also get a charging cable, and then there are two label holder options that you can get for this thermal printer. One is an attachable label holder that comes with the printer. It clips directly onto it, and then there's also a separate standalone holder that you can buy separately. Both help keep your labels aligned while printing, which we'll get into that a little bit later. And then there's the manual and some starter labels to get you going. Overall, it's pretty straightforward with the unboxing. Everything feels solid, and the printer itself has a nice weight to it without being too heavy, and it actually looks kind of cool with the display screen. I've never seen that before. So one thing that sets this printer apart is the screen display right here on the front. A lot of thermal printers don't have screens, so you're kind of guessing what's happening, what's going on, but with this one you can actually see your Bluetooth connection status, other information on the screen as well. There's also a menu where you can access settings and adjust things like label calibration. Setting this up was really straightforward. I just turned it on, opened the app on my phone, and connected the printer via Bluetooth, and it paired instantly with no issues. The app itself is super clean and simple. There's no guessing on what to do. You can design labels right in the app, or, which is of course what I do, you can upload your own templates. I used one of my label templates that I already had saved, uploaded it into the app, and then it was ready to print in like less than 30 seconds. And if you prefer, you can also connect via a USB cord to your laptop and or your tablet. So you have flexibility depending on how you personally like to work. Okay, so now let's talk about these label holders. So like I mentioned, it comes with a label holder that attaches directly onto the thermal printer, which I think is so cool, and it just makes being able to have your labels aligned so much easier because it's not wobbling around and it can feed directly into the printer. But you also have the option to get a standalone holder, which doesn't connect directly to the printer, but it can still get the job done. I use both equally, and honestly, they both work great. The main thing is they help keep your labels aligned as they feed through, which prevents jamming or crooked print. There's also a label calibration feature in the settings that will help with label alignment as well. So basically, if you're switching between different size labels or types, you can run a quick calibration so the printer knows exactly where to start and stop printing, and to make sure that everything is in alignment, which is super helpful for avoiding waste. So now that we've talked a little bit about this printer, let's go ahead and actually print out some labels. So the first one I'm doing is going to be this round scalloped rainbow label that I think is just so cute. It has a matte finish to it, and it's just super fun and bright. They sent me a few different label types to test, so I'm just working with what they provided. I'm gonna load it up into the printer. So I'm gonna slide it into the holder to make sure that it's aligned, feed it into the printer, and now we're good to go. Now I'm gonna pull up my design in the app, hit print, and done. Just like that, we've printed our labels in literally just a couple of seconds. So the quality is really crisp. You can see the text is clear, and it just looks really good on this label, and there's no smudging. I decided to use this label to put on a cookie bag to show you what this would actually look like in real life. The round shape is perfect for smaller packaging, and it gives a nice finished professional look to your product. Next, let me show you this 4x6 white label. This is a bigger size label, so I'm going to be using it for a cupcake box, specifically what I like to call a cupcake flight. So it's basically the same process. You load the label onto your holder, feed it into the printer, pull in your design on the app, and then print. This size of label is great for including more information like branding, flavors, maybe ingredients, or allergen info, anything and everything that you need. And because this printer supports all major label sizes, you're not limited to what you're able to do. You can also print 4x6 shipping labels if you ship your products, small address labels, barcodes, pretty much anything that you need and want for your home bakery business. This last label is a 2x3 yellow label that I'm going to use for a cookie jar. This is a smaller label label, but it has the same high quality print as you'll see. This thermal printer is perfect for product labels, favor tags, anything where you need something compact but still professional looking. The versatility here is really the point. Whether you're doing small favor labels or large shipping labels, this printer can handle all of it without needing different machines, which is going to ultimately save you some coins in the end. So thermal printers are inkless and cost efficient because it uses direct thermal printing, which means there's no ink, no toner, and no messy cartridges needed in order for it to work. This is a new generation of Bluetooth shipping label printers tailored for small businesses, combining extreme speed, high definition, and portability. It's designed to improve the efficiency and experience of printing labels. All you need is a thermal printer and then the thermal paper of your choice. The print quality is going to be crisp and clear, even at smaller sizes. So whether you're labeling flavor tags, order numbers, thank you notes, or allergen warnings, everything is going to come out looking clean and professional. I also love how versatile it can be. So different Phomemo models support multiple label sizes from small rolls to larger formats. So you're able to adapt to whatever your bakery setup needs. The model that I'm using today has a strong battery life. It's portable and it connects wirelessly through Bluetooth or USB. That means that I'm able to move around while unpacking boxes and still print what I need without being tied down to one spot. And their app makes setup even easier and lets me batch print dozens of labels in just seconds, which is such a time saver. You can batch print flavor tags and order slips, so on delivery or pickup day, you're not rushing to handwrite anything. You can create thank you stickers to slip inside the boxes and label each order with names and pickup times so nothing gets mixed up. It's these small touches that can really elevate the customer experience and make your packaging feel professional while also giving you back time and peace of mind. So let's go over some of the key features that stand out to me about this thermal printer by Phomemo. First is the speed. It prints labels literally in seconds. If you're doing any kind of volume, that speed is going to add up fast. So you're not going to be sitting around waiting for labels to print. Next is its portability. It's compact, about 20% smaller than traditional printers. So if you're working in a small kitchen or if you need to move it around, it's easy to store and doesn't take up too much counter space. Also the screen display. Having an actual screen makes a huge difference. You have a lot of functionality that you can see using this screen. And a lot of printers don't have this, so this is a really cool idea for thermal printers. It also works with all major label sizes, 4x6 shipping labels, small barcode labels, address labels, circle labels, rectangular labels. You're not limited to just one type. And you can connect wirelessly from your phone or tablet, or you can plug it in via USB-C to your computer. You get to choose whatever system works for your workflow. And best of all, the app is just straightforward. It has a clean interface, it's easy to upload your own designs. There's practically no learning curve. You just upload your design and print. So it's very beginner and user-friendly. So if you're a home baker doing any kind of volume and you need professional labels for your products and packaging, this is going to be a solid option for you. It's compact, it's fast, it's easy to set up and use, and it handles pretty much any label size you need. The Phomemo PM64D will be linked in the description below if you want to check it out. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video, and if you liked it, of course, go ahead, hit the like button and then hype me up, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Until then guys, peace.